Want to auto-schedule Zoom meetings from your Google Calendar? With Appy Pie Automate, you can do it in just minutes. No coding required. Click the Explore button from the top menu. In the App directory, with 2,000 plus integrations, search for Google Calendar and click to continue. On the Google Calendar page, scroll to find Zoom and click on it to start building your automation. You'll see available triggers, actions, and templates. Click Get Started with Google Calendar and Zoom integration to continue. Sign in or sign up for your free Appy Pie Automate account. From your dashboard, choose Google Calendar as the trigger app and select New Event. Authenticate your Google account. Choose the calendar you want to monitor and run a quick test. Now, choose Zoom as your action app and select Create Meeting. Sign in to your Zoom account and grant the required permissions. Now map the fields: Event Topic, Meeting Topic, Event Description, Meeting Agenda, when meeting start time in the correct format. Duration, set as needed. You can also select other fields, like time zone, password, and more, based on your requirements. Click Continue, run a test to verify, and hit Activate Connect to make it live. Let's test it live. Create a new event in your Google Calendar, and just like that, a Zoom meeting is created with the event's details synced automatically. And that's it! You've now connected Google Calendar with Zoom using Appy Pie Automate.